See a dentist twice yearly. Preventing oral problems entails seeing your Tigard dentist at least twice a year. Some dental patients only need to have exams and cleanings done once a year. However, these kinds of visits are rare. For most people, it's better to see a dentist at least every 6 months. By having cleanings and exams conducted on a twice yearly basis, we can catch any dental problems before they become major issues. You can liken this activity to having your car checked or the plumbing in your home inspected. When you have regular checks made, you don't have to experience greater repairs. Make it a point to see your Tigard dentist regularly so you can repair a cavity instead of scheduling a root canal or similar therapy. To prevent oral problems at home, you need to brush and floss each day. Try to floss once a day and brush your teeth after meals or snacks. Doing so will prevent decay and keep your teeth white and your gums clear of disease. People who do not regularly floss and brush can end up having their gums scaled, which is not exactly a pleasant dental experience. It doesn't take much time to brush and floss your teeth, and making the small effort will help you avoid more serious problems. We are Susan Weinberg and Associates DMD. We are located in the Tigard Medical Mall. Give us a call today at 503-968-1696.